No fucking blouse up, bitch, I make it rain shower. You did that. They wanna know a thing about you. You still that.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to add tags to your product page. So what you want to do once you have done all your product descriptions and images and stuff is in here you want to add keywords. You basically want to keyword stuff as many tags as possible in here. I recommend doing about 10 of them, and then if your product is selling well or if it's profitable, come back and add in like another 10. So at max, I reckon 20 tags is enough. So what you want to do is go into Keyword Planner. You could also do this through Keywords Everywhere tool, but it's probably more accurate if you do it through the Keyword Planner. So if you were to type in, so Bluetooth portable printer, it will come up with some keywords here, right, that you can go and add in as tags. If you want to do it like a quick way, you can do that. Or so the better way to do it would be to go and get keyword. So go to Keyword Planner in AdWords. So you go to Tools, Planning, go Keyword Planner, and then it will come up like this. You want to go find keywords, and in here enter Bluetooth portable keywords. You enter the product name. Oh shit, I put keyword, not had the right Bluetooth portable printer. It's been a long day. So go get results. So there's two different ways you can export these keywords. So what you can do is go download keyword ideas, and you can download the file as a CSV. Then you can copy the keywords and paste them into tags here, or you can just get a notepad out and then put it on here, copy and paste these. We'll just get these ones, right? Because they're the most relevant to the product. We'll just chuck them on a notepad and then bring the notepad up. And we want to do here, just go copy and paste these in and hit enter. So enter there. So portable printer, boom. And just keep going through this. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we've got 11 tags, that's perfect. If I wanted to, I could add the rest. I'm not going to, but yeah, if you want to add them all, you may as well. So just add them all. Just make sure you have a max of 20 and then hit save. And then those tags are there. So these tags aren't actually in the Google shopping feed, so you won't see them in there, but Google does crawl the page, and these tags add relevance to the page, which increases the likelihood that your ad for this product will be shown. All right, cool.
I've been so wrong, but I'm always right. So I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight. If I tell you once, I'll tell you twice.